Hi Travel Bees! If you guys missed last week's video, it was an awesome video of me finding a random cave in Idaho off of the highway in the middle of nowhere, and honestly it was one of the favorite pieces of my trip out west in the USA. So if you guys missed it, here's a sneak peek to see what you guys are missing out on. Check it out. Alright guys, I made it to Idaho! Alright guys, so I am out on the highway and I saw this sign that says cave, so I'm gonna check this out. Just got done with the lava caves or mammoth caves in Idaho here, and this was literally just showing you how in the middle of nowhere I am, and it just came across and I did it and it was awesome. So guys, you guys should really just keep an open schedule when you're traveling so that you can just check out these things that come along and come across your path that you would have never known before had you not come across the path. I recorded my trip through the cave and it was pretty awesome. If you're here for the first time, welcome, and if you are returning, thanks so much for coming back. My name is Lucie and welcome to my channel, The Traveling Lucie. I hope that you guys end up liking this video, and if you do, make sure that you guys give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell because I do post new videos every week. It really helps me a lot and I appreciate all of your support that you guys have given me thus far. If you didn't check out last week's video yet about the random cave that I found in the middle of nowhere off a sketchy desert highway, then you guys just saw that preview and it was quite a trip. But today's video is number 7 in my adventure loop from my trip out west in the United States. It was such an amazing trip going through Colorado, Idaho, Montana, Wyoming, Utah, and so much more. So I have been sharing bits and pieces of it throughout the last few weeks to share and inspire you guys to get out there and travel too. On a brief note, I did start this channel because I was trying to inspire people to go internationally over to Europe, but as we know with the pandemic and how things have been going on lately, international travel is kind of at a little bit of a halt. So I have done a lot of domestic travel, as well as it's been a goal of mine for quite a long time to visit every single state. So I've been checking off those states as much as I can. And this last trip that I took in September knocked off about 5 more states, so I was pretty excited about that. If you guys have been following me here on YouTube or on Instagram or Facebook, then you guys know about the trip, but if you guys are here for the first time and this is the first video you're watching, I hope you'll check out the other videos that I have. Today's video is going to be about my drive through southern Idaho and driving through Sawtooth National Forest, which was absolutely gorgeous. I can't wait for you guys to see it because it was a treat. And I ended up going through this forest because I decided to take the long way on my journey rather than the shorter way that the GPS wanted me to go. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Check it out. Mountains are coming up. Ooh, you guys see those in the distance? There they are. Now to go in them. I just passed the Snow Bunny that says they're known for famous burgers. And I'm tempted. I don't know what a Snow Bunny is. just, wow. It's insane. Guys, Sawtooth National Forest is absolutely incredibly gorgeous. It's wildly gorgeous and beautiful and absolutely huge as well. It is more than I thought it was going to be, and it was crazy because I was driving through Utah up into Idaho, and the beginning of Idaho looked a lot like Utah, like just flat plains. I mean, there are very like jetted points in Utah as well, but like it kind of just blended in. So there was a lot of plains when I first saw the southern point of Idaho. And then when I finally got up to this Sawtooth National Forest, oh my God, it's just gorgeous. It's like deserty, but also lots of trees and just insanely gorgeous. I wish I could have taken video of like the entire park, but it would take a long time to do that. And I have so many more places to go. But I hope you guys enjoyed the little snippet of the little drive I had through the park, and hopefully it inspires you to go to this park, because I didn't even realize how gorgeous this park was. It was never on my list of things to do. But when I was routing my map, I figured, well, I don't really want to go through Boise. I mean, I've heard great things about Boise, Idaho, the capital of Idaho, but I was like, I want some nature, so I'm just going to take kind of the long way to get to where I need to go, which I'm going to the hot springs over in Boise National Forest. So I'm going over there, and I was like, well, instead of going through Boise and up, I'm going to go around through Sawtooth. And what a great decision that was. Again, just one of those things where I kind of just went with the flow and was wildly surprised. So this is why I love solo traveling. Again, guys, if you guys haven't traveled alone, I really highly recommend it, and go and check out my video on should you solo travel and just listen to it and think about it, because there's so much in this world to go out and see, and sometimes it just doesn't work out if you're trying to go with your friends. I mean, I had 2 friends that I tried to coordinate this trip with, but I didn't let it stop me from actually going on the trip. And you know, I'm glad that I kind of get to do it at my own pace anyways. So I'm really excited to see the springs and see what that looks like and continue on my adventure. Hope you guys are enjoying it. So enjoy the rest of my video of Idaho. And don't forget, like this video if you like it, subscribe to my channel, and click that notification bell to get notifications of every time I post a new video every week. Thanks, Travel Views. Going through the little town of Stanley right now. Look at that view of Sawtooth in the distance. Alright guys, now we're in Boise National Park, and I am heading to a hot spring. It is 75 degrees right now, but it should be dropping tonight, so we'll see how this hot spring does. Should be quite relaxing. Nature's own hot tub. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure you guys give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Don't miss those videos that I have coming out every single week. Have you guys ever heard of Sawtooth National Forest before? If so, leave me a comment, let me know, because I'm curious as to how many people knew about this place before I made this video, as well as if you would ever visit here and take a hike through this forest. Leave me that comment. I hope you guys have been enjoying these little tidbits from my trip. It's been so special for me to be able to actually share them with you and share my journey just through pure exploration and solo traveling and just so much more. If you guys don't know already, I do host a weekly Travel Tip Tuesday with a new guest from all over the world that's usually a traveler or someone that's in the travel industry, and we talk about travel one way or another. I have had so many amazing guests so far, and they have all been inspirational and really showed a different piece of how travel has changed their lives. So if you guys haven't checked that out already, I'll link it above and in the description of this video so you guys can check out the playlist for it and all the different guests that I've had on. And I go live every Tuesday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, so I hope you will check it out one day. Also, one last note before I end this video is that I have some really exciting news. I've actually been working on starting a nonprofit organization that's going to help pay for underprivileged students in the US to take study abroad trips from here in the US to Europe. And I am so excited because this is gonna give opportunities to students who would otherwise never have the opportunity to be able to travel. And if you're also a fellow traveler, you know how important it is to be involved in travel and experience the world and how much can really change your perspective. So if you guys are interested, you guys can follow the social media accounts for that. We have an Instagram, it is at The Traveling Youth USA, and we also have a Facebook, which is facebook.com/The Traveling Youth USA. I hope you guys will check it out and follow us on this new journey through this nonprofit organization and check out all of the cool things that we have to come. Again, thank you so much for following me and watching this video all the way to this point. I really appreciate all of your support, and I hope that you will think about subscribing to my channel and getting those notifications from me. I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day, and I will see you guys next week. Bye!